Hello friends, this is my second video for class 12. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Shyam Sundar Agarwal. So, in this video, this is the second video of the matrix, where I am going to elaborate something about algebra of matrices. First, how to add or subtract two matrices. Matrix addition or subtraction is possible when they are comparable. That means, we can say addition and subtraction of two matrices is possible if their orders are same. Already we have discussed comparable matrices in my first video of this matrix chapter. So, here just how to add or how to subtract two or more matrices if their orders are same. Let A is a matrix of order m cross n, B is another matrix of order n m cross n, where the elements of A are Aij and the elements of B are Bij. Then their addition A plus B is equals to Aij plus Bij of order m cross n. That means, addition of their corresponding elements. Let us take an example. If A is equals to 1 0 5 minus 9 3 7 and B is equals to 7 8 2 9 minus 2 minus 1. Here we have to find out what about their addition and subtraction. Here the given matrix A is of order 3 cross 2 and B is of order 3 cross 2, because each contains 3 rows and 2 columns. That is why they are comparable matrices. Hence, addition and subtraction of A and B are possible here. So, let us find out A plus B. A plus B means matrix A plus matrix B. Then matrix A plus B is equals to addition of their corresponding elements. So, 1 plus 7, 0 plus 8, 5 plus 2, 9 minus 9 plus 9, 3 minus 2, 7 plus of minus 1. So, A plus B is equals to 8 8 7 0 1 6. So, addition of these two matrices is equals to matrix of order 3 cross 2, where the elements are 8 8 7 0 1 and 6. Similarly, let us find out their subtraction A minus B. So, first matrix A minus second matrix. As usual, addition and subtraction. Addition means sum of their corresponding elements. Similarly, subtraction means subtraction of their corresponding elements. So, A minus B is 1 minus 7, 0 minus 8, 5 minus 2, minus 9 minus 9, 3 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, 7 minus of minus is plus 1. So, A minus B is minus 6, minus 8, 3, minus 18, 5 and 8. This is also of order 3 cross 2. Next, what are the properties of addition and subtraction of matrices? Number 1, matrix addition is commutative. That means, A plus B is equals to B plus A. Similarly, matrix addition is associative, that is, sum of first two matrices, then addition of third matrix is same as A plus addition of B and C. Existence of identity. The null or 0 matrix is the identity element for matrix addition, that is, A plus 0 matrix plus 0 plus A matrix is equals to A. Next, existence of additive inverse. For every matrix A, Aij of order m cross n, there exists an additive inverse of the matrix A as minus A, which is minus aij of order m cross n such that a plus of minus a or minus a plus of a is equals to 0 matrix. Similarly, cancellation law also holds good in the matrix addition. If a plus b is equals to a plus c, sum of two matrices a plus b and a plus c are equal, then b equals to c. Now, scalar multiplication with matrix. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar quantity. Let us take a matrix A which is equals to aij of order m cross n. Then if you multiply that matrix by any scalar k, then Ka is equals to each element of that matrix multiplied with the scalar quantity k. So, let us take an example. If A is equals to 1, 0, 5, minus 9, 3 and 7, then what about 3 times of that matrix? So, 3 times of that matrix is, we have to multiply 3 to each and every element by 3. So, 1 into 3, 0 into 3, 5 into 3, minus 9 into 3, 3 into 3, 7 into 3. That is same as 3, 0, 15, minus 27 and 9, 21. So, this is a very simple one. Next, similarly, properties of this scalar multiplication. First property is if any scalar quantity k is multiplied with sum of two matrices A and B, then it is same as k into A matrix plus k into B matrix. Similarly, if sum of two scalars is multiplied with a matrix A, then k into A plus L into A. Similarly, KL into A is k into L into A is equals to L into k into A, where KL and are scalars and A is a matrix. Minus k into A, k is a scalar quantity. So, minus k into A is same as minus of k into A, or it is same as k into minus of A. And 1 into A is equals to A. If you take k is equals to 1, minus 1 in 4. So, minus 1 minus of minus 1 is 1 into A is equals to minus of minus minus of minus 1 into A is minus of minus A is plus A. Similarly, minus of 1 into A is equals to minus A, that is by taking k is equals to 1 in 4, that is minus of, by putting k is equals to 1, minus of 1 into A is equals to minus of 1 into A is A. So, minus of A. Next, matrix multiplication. How to multiply two matrices, two or more matrices. So, matrix multiplication is possible only when the number of columns of the first matrix is same as the number of rows of the second matrix. It is very, very important. Multiplication is possible only when the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix are same. So, let A is a matrix of order m cross n. Here n is the number of columns. So, if you multiply A and B, and that is possible only when if the number of rows of the matrix B is also n. So, let us take B is equals to a matrix of order n cross P. M and P, they may be different, they may be equal, no harm, but the number of columns of the first matrix is same as the number of rows of the second matrix. Then their product, let product of two matrices is again a matrix. So, let us take it C. C is equals to A into B, where Aij into Bij is, let it be another matrix of order m cross P, where elements are Cij, and each Cij is represented by Aij into Bjk, j varies from 1 to n for all I and all k. So, this is very complicated one. Just to make it simple, let us take one example and find out the matrix multiplication. Let a matrix A is 1 0 5 minus 9 3 7 and another matrix is B is equals to 2 6 4 8. Then find out AB and BA if possible. See here matrix A is of order 3 cross 2, 3 rows and 2 columns, whereas matrix B is of order 2 cross 2, 2 rows and 2 columns. And we know matrix multiplication is possible only when the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix are same. So here the number of columns of A matrix is same as the number of rows of second matrix B. So AB is possible, but the number of column of B is not equals to the number of rows of A. So BA is not possible. So in this example we can only find out A into B because AB is possible. So let us find out A into B. So write first matrix into second matrix. How to multiply this? First take the first row with first column, first row with second column. So 1 0 multiply with 2 4, 1 into 2 plus 0 into 4. Similarly, first row with second column 1 into 6 plus 0 into 8. Next let us take second row of first matrix. So second row first column, second row second column. So 5 into 2 plus minus 9 into 4, 5 into 6 plus minus 9 into 8. Similarly, by taking third row first column and third row second column, 3 into 2 plus 7 into 4, 3 into 6 plus 7 into 8. By adding all that we got AB is equals to 2, 6 minus 26 minus 42, 34 and 74. This is of order 3 cross 2. So let me take one more example just to clarify how to find out the product of two matrices. Here A 1 2 3 a column matrix, here it is a row matrix 2 3 4. So order of the first matrix is 3 cross 1, whereas the order of the second matrix is 1 cross 3. Here the number of columns of the first matrix is same as the number of rows of the second matrix, hence matrix multiplication is possible. So let us find out their multiplication. So first row with first column, second column, third column. So 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4. Next second row 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. Next third row 3 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 4. So now by multiplying this we got 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 8, 6, 9, 12, a matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? Let us find out one more multiplication 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6 with 1 minus 3, 5, 0, 2, 4, 3, 0, 5. Here both the matrices are of order 3 cross 3. So number of column of the first matrix is 3 and the number of rows of the first matrix is 3. So as the two are equal, so this matrix multiplication is possible. So let us find out. So how to find out their product? First row of first matrix with the first column, then second column, then third column. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3, corresponding elements. 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0. Similarly, 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5, 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3, 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0, then 3 into 5 plus 4 into 4 plus 5 into 5, then third row 4 into 1 plus 4 into 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3, then 4 into minus 3, 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0, similarly 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4 plus 6 into 5. Then by multiplying and adding all that, we got 18, 0, 42, 23 minus 1, 56, 28, 2 minus 2, 70, order of 3 cross 3. Similarly, let us find out one more example. If A is 0, minus 1, 0, 2 and B is 3, 5, 0, 0, what about A into B? See here, matrix A and B are of order 2 cross 2. So, number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix both are same. So, matrix multiplication A into B is possible. So, let us find out A into B. So, 0 minus 1 0 2 into 3 5 0 0. So, let us take first row with first column and then second column. So, 0 into 3 plus of minus 1 into 0, 0 into 5 plus of minus 1 into 0, then second row 0 into 3 plus 2 into 0, 0 into 5 plus 2 into 0, that is equals to 0 0 0 0 is a 0 matrix. See here, both A and B are two non-zero matrix, but their product is a 0 matrix. So, it is not necessary to say that if product of two matrices is 0, then one of them is 0. It is not true. Whenever here this is one of the example where product of two non-zero matrices is a 0 matrix. Let us find out the value of A square minus 6A plus 8I, where A is equals to 3, 2, 2, 3 and I is the identity matrix of order 2. So, A square minus 6A plus 8I, A square means A into A minus 6A plus 8 into identity matrix of order 2 1 0 0 1. So, here first we have to find out product of two matrices A into A. So, that is 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2, 9 plus 4 13. Similarly, 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3, 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 3 into 3 2, 2 into 3 plus 3 into 3 2 is 12. Similarly, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 is 13, minus by taking 6 times of matrix A. So, by multiplying 6 to each the elements of A, that is 6 into 3 is 18, 6 into 2 is 12, 6 into 2 is 12, 6 into 3 is 18, plus 8 times of 1001 is 8008. By taking all that, their addition is 13 minus 18 plus 8 is 3, 12 minus 12 plus 0 is 0, 12 minus 12 plus 0 is 0, 13 minus 18 plus 8 is 3. So, 3003. Similarly, one more example, let A is equals to 1 2 1 1. What is the value of A square minus 2A? A is equals to 1 2 1 1. So, A square minus 2A is A into A minus 2 into A. By taking that 1 into 2 into 1 into 1, 1 1, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1 is 3, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 is 4, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 is 2, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1 is 3, 1 into 1 is 3, minus 2 times of 1 2 1 1 is 2, 4, 2 2. Then by subtracting that we got 1 0 0 1. Properties of matrix multiplication. If the product AB exists, then it is not necessary that product BA is also exist. We have seen in first example. So, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Next, if AB is equals to BA, then matrices A and B are called as commutative matrices. If AB is equals to minus BA, then matrices A and B are called as anti-commutative matrices. If AB is equals to 0, that doesn't imply A is equals to 0 or B is equals to 0 or BA is equals to 0. AC is equals to AD does not imply C is equals to D. K into A into B is equals to K into AB is equals to A into K into B. Similarly, A plus B into C is equals to AC plus BC. It is distributive. C into A plus B is CA into CB. Matrix multiplication is associative, but it is not commutative. Remember this. K into A plus B is equals to KA plus KB, where K is a scalar. Alpha plus beta into A is alpha A plus beta into A. Alpha, beta are the scalars. Alpha into beta into A is alpha beta into A, where alpha beta are the scalars. If A is a square matrix, then A square is A into A cube is A square into A4 is A cube into A, like that. A to the power m into A to the power n is same as A to the power m plus n. Similarly, A to the power m into A to the power n is A to the power mn, or we can say A to the power n to the power m, and I to the power n is always equals to I. A to the power 0 equals to identity matrix. If a matrix of order m cross n, then A into In is Im into A is equals to A. If A and I are of same order, then Ia into Ai is equals to A. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel Dr. Shyam Sundar Agrawal. Thank you.